Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Saladelicious series episode number 2. Today we are making a flavor-packed grilled paneer salad perfect for a healthy and satisfying meal. Let's get started. Take 3 paneer blocks of 75 gram each and place them on a plate. Sprinkle in needed salt at grilled paneer. More of red chili flakes, adjust to your spice preference. A teaspoon of dried oregano for an irresistible aroma and a teaspoon of olive oil. Rub the marinade evenly on both sides of the paneer and set it aside to absorb all the flavors. Next, let's prepare our veggies. Peel the skin of a carrot and shave it using a peeler. I am using my Kai brand peeler, which is super comfy and sharp. Carrot adds skin glowing nutrients. Now chop a yellow bell pepper into cubes. Yellow bell pepper is rich in antioxidants. Then cube 1 large juicy Bangalore tomato, which adds a refreshing tang to the salad. Let's prepare the dressing. To a bowl, add 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 3 teaspoons of honey, juice of half a de-seeded lemon, adequate salt, and 1/4 cup of Boji's olive oil, an excellent choice for salad dressings. Emulsify the dressing by whipping it thoroughly until it blends into a smooth consistency. It's time to grill our paneer. Turn on the electric grill and wait for the red light to turn off. Meanwhile, let's assemble the salad. In a mixing bowl, add a heaped cup of freshly chopped lettuce, which promotes digestive health, yellow bell pepper, Bangalore tomato, and shaved carrots as well, each bringing their own nutritious benefits. Now it's time to drizzle in the desired amount of salad dressing and mix everything well. My Nova electric grill has been my kitchen companion for over 8 years and it never fails me. Place the marinated paneer onto the hot grill and cook it until it develops a smoky red char. To serve, take a bowl and layer it with the colorful, well-mixed veggies. Then top it with the perfectly grilled paneer. Drizzle in the desired amount of salad dressing over grilled paneer. For an extra burst of umami flavors, I am using my Foodie grated parmesan over it. It's rich in calcium and it's great for bone strengthening. And there you go. A mouth-watering grilled paneer salad is ready to enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delightful salads. See you next episode. Bye.